Hi, this is Hatsiri, and this is my assignment 2. I'm create this contacts file, and I connected first with Mongo because I created the collections directly in the in Mongo website. So I think this when I look at the solution, I realized that I had to create it here in Visual Studio. So that's one of the things that I think I failed, but okay. So I connected with it, and I made this console log to see if I have that connection. So that's the reason I create this part. But here I have my express and the parser and the port and the get all documents with find function and get just one that match with the ID. So here in roots I have the both URLs. Here is the one that shows all the documents, and here is when I get one. And also I realized that this ID is had to be sent in the URL, and also I had to separate these parts in controllers and roots. So yeah, so I tried to solve this without seeing the solution, but at the end I had to look at it because one thing that I have a problem with deploy, and I don't know if this fail is related with the part of that I didn't separate the code in files and controllers and routes. I don't know, but I checked a lot of times. My link here, and in render here is the environment, has the same key, and the value I check it a lot of times, but it is still failing, and I don't know why. And in here it says that Mongo parser invalid, and it looks like it's when I build install MongoDB, but when I change here this part with npm install MongoDB, then the deploy failed again, and it says that .temp is not installed. So I don't know, I'm very confused with this part and the deploy, but here in the server it is working, I think. So here is it's so yeah, So I tried, but I'm going to look at the solution the next days to see the way. I had like the idea, but of separate everything in files, but I was like, it was really a little confused for me to separate it and then link everything. So yeah, so that's um, my assignment for this week, and I hope to improve it or correct it the next days. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll be waiting your feedback and your help. So thank you, brother, and see you next week.